Hello guys, my name is Samuel and welcome to H-QTV. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload on Rumble. So in my last video about Rumble, I posted that video on earning dollars about what you need to know to earn money on Rumble. So to this video, I'm just going to show you how to upload. Click the video icon, the # plus sign, and click again on upload video. Click on the video that you want to upload and the video title. Then I'm going to go ahead and add category. The primary category is education. Okay, let me select the one that is available. Okay, that's good. And the secondary category I think is education. And then I'm just going to select the thumbnails. The thumbnails that I want to select. Can see public, anyone can watch, and I'm just going to click on upload. So you can just after that you have not signed an agreement. Okay, can read all these things, you agree, you do that. Okay, and you are just going to click on submit. You're just going to submit it. So by this you can upload video on your Rumble account, but make sure that you have a paper account that you can withdraw your money to. I'm just going to wait for this to finish. Okay, this can see that's all what you can do. Just going to my content. Can even download it if you want to download. So this all what you can do. I'm just going to see my next video.